In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Huntington Bank online banking. If you're looking to access your bank accounts and manage your finances efficiently, logging in online is an excellent place to start. It's not only convenient, but also very secure. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official Huntington Bank homepage. You can do this by typing Huntington Bank into your search bar, and the official site should be the top result. Make sure you're on the legitimate bank website to keep your information secure. When you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner. There, you'll find the login button ready and waiting for you. Give that a click. This will take you to a page where you can enter your login credentials, which are your username and password. Take a moment to enter your username. This is usually an ID that you set up when you registered for online banking. It's important to type this carefully to avoid any errors that might slow you down. Next, move on to the password section and type in your password with care. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so check to make sure your caps lock isn't on by accident unless it's supposed to be. Once you've double checked your username and password, click on the login button. This is the step that will start the process of granting you access to your account. Now, to ensure the utmost security, Huntington Bank might ask you to enter a security code. This code will be sent to either your registered phone number or email address. After you receive the code, enter it promptly in the provided field on your screen. This two-step authentication process is a great way to keep your account secure, ensuring that only you have access to your personal financial information. By following these steps, you should now be logged into your Huntington Bank account and ready to manage your finances with ease. It's essential to always log out of your online banking account after you're done, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. This adds an additional layer of security to your online banking experience. And there you have it. Logging into Huntington Bank's online banking is straightforward and secure, making your financial tasks easier. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Happy banking!